Long, so I have to get out of the way. Oh man, we already filmed our
critter cam moment. Are you able to start the next one? Right away.
I thought someone was coming. Is there someone out there? I can hear something though.
You must be right inside the door.
Ooh, yeah.
Too mushy to take.
Ooh, there's a bunch of peaches.
Grab the peaches.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Should we get them all? And you want the apples? Oh my gosh.
Smash.
The peaches?
Yeah.
2 bags of apples. Yucky.
We got a good score for the critters, if nothing else, today. Alright, it's time to fill the blessing boxes.
Try not to put anything in there that'll get wet. You know, that's cardboard because this doesn't have a door on it.
We have too much like that this time. I'm trying to do it neatly though, because this lady doesn't like it if we don't. Alrighty, blessing box number 2, for those of you who are new, we put the edible finds from previous dives into the blessing boxes for people in the community to enjoy. Last one, people. Oh, there's lots of canned food in this one. Oh, that one's exploding. I don't think anyone wants that one. That one destroys the myth that canned foods last forever.
Yeah, I don't know. It's a tomato one, so maybe the acid ones don't.
And the bars. All right.
Okay, that's it for the blessing boxes.
Hope you enjoyed.
It feels very lightweight.
Garbagey.
Oh, that thing is heavy.
There's definitely some metal in it.
I'm trying to see where the top of it is. Okay. Ow, that's hot. Whew.
Reminds me, I meant to clean ours today. Look, we ran into a fan.
Our biggest fan.
Not our biggest one, but a nice sized fan.
All right, there's a lot of stuff here. Oh, I like that little swing.
Yeah.
I'm definitely getting that. Oh, yeah, man, that's like an antique.
Stupid thing. Careful with this thing and have little hooks everywhere to get into everything.
This.
Grab that from there.
What the heck is this? Look at this, one of those waxing things. It's one of those things that you can put your hand in.
Oh, yeah. The wax. Hand things. Oh, it's so
All right. What about this? Imaginette's magnetic thingy. Bunch of books, which we never are able to sell. Hell, this is. me see it. Well, if you want to take them, take them. It's up to you. Got some cool stuff, though. Why?
It just wasn't cool.
Well, some Barbies and stuff. They look like they have their heads missing. All right, that was a pretty good pick.
Not bad at all.
Someone asked, sometimes they'll see something in the beginning of the video that's not there later on. And yeah, sometimes I edit it in a different order than I shoot it, just to go with the flow. If I think it needs a little something here, I'll edit it like that. So
when we need to empty it to be able to fit
yes,
stuff in.
A lot of times it takes us more than one trip to film, to get enough footage to film this.
To make a good video for your entertainment.
That's why sometimes we don't have the same clothes on and stuff like that.
Or the weather looks different.
I know a lot of people were celebrating last week, but we got a great score our last video. Go check it out. I know a lot of people were celebrating 4th of July, and we were too, and we had a few days off. But go check out that video because we found an amazing amount of stuff.
So if you haven't seen it, go watch it.
Ooh. Want to get that door open for me? Thanks. Woo. Here. Ooh, there's lots of stuff in here. All right, couple more. Got some fishing rods in here. I don't know, these are kind of crappy fishing rods. Yeah, I tweaked my back last week, so I was happy to have a little day off. What are those?
Come inside.
See if there's something in there. If not, throw it off. All right, good scores. Lots of little skibble scabble. Oh yeah. Here. There's one more light fixture. What's this thing? Aluminum, maybe? Oh, that looks like it could be aluminum. All right. All right. Oh, wait, is that a bunch of wire? Oh, yeah, that's good wire. Strippable wire. Get that out. All right. Huh? Anything else easy to get?
Easy stuff.
What's this thing?
Figure it out. But too long. Ow.
Is it metal?
Yeah.
Excellent. All right. Whoo-wee. That ain't too shabby. Ain't too shabby at all. Okay, we got a little bit of food here and a whole bunch of scrap.
Oh, I shut the door. The mountain of scrap.
You guys all saw me get this little thing too, which I want.
The baby swing, that'll go to the flea market.
Could you hold it for a second?
The hula hoop's going to the neighbor. And I'm not sure what we're going to do with the magnet gate.
Imaginettes. That's kind of cool.
Mm-hmm. Did they see the inside?
I don't know if I got it on camera.
See,
it's kind of cool.
It's a magnet toy. And you can make what's in the pictures. With
Nice.
the little magnets.
That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Zinni! Beautiful Zinni.
It's your moment of
Enjoying the garden.
We spent a lot of time out here over our holiday weekend. Holiday week.
All right. Spending some time outside in the garden. It's time for the prayer list.
Hello. We have a special shout out to Raven Bird, who can't see us anymore, but still loves our videos.
Thanks for watching, Raven.
We love you.
Oh, I mean, not watching, listening.
Donna Robertson would like us to please keep her in our prayers. She is getting ready to have surgery on her knee and is going to Kansas City to see a specialist about some other issues. Tangi McElroy asked for prayers. She has lupus and has been in crisis for 2 weeks now. Donna Mitchell needs prayers for rain to help put out the wildfires and help clear the air for us all. And Joy Rindau, I hope I didn't mutilate that too bad, Joy, asked for us to please pray for her, say a prayer for her friend Debbie. So, prayers up, everybody.
Okay, thanks for riding along with us. I hope you guys had fun. See you next time.
Bye. We love you. Like, subscribe.
Oh, wait till you see what's coming up, man.
The Critter Cam, you're going to love it.
The Critter Cam is amazing. There's tons of babies on it.
You're going to
love it.
See you soon. Bye.